Good morning, 8th graders. This is your next homework assignment. It's actually a project. You are going to do a number poster project. I'm assigning it to both my 8th grade classes today, and it needs to be posted onto Schoology by April 21st. So you're going to create a poster either on your iPad or on paper. If you do it on paper, you need to take a picture of it in order to submit it to Schoology. But it can be either on your iPad or on regular paper. It needs to be neat. It needs to be colorful. Definitely needs to be original. Needs to be creative. So you're going to basically come up with a theme for your poster, whether it's balloons all over the place, a sea theme or whatever, a birthday party with a cake or something. Come up with a theme that you're going to create your poster in. It can just be a design too, for those of you who are like me and not very artistic. First thing you have to have is your number. You're going to get a number between 1 and 100. Your number has to be on your poster somewhere big to where we can see what it is. Now, what number? You are going to come to a Google Meet today. I'm going to post 3 of them. I'll have 3 of them in Schoology today. Come to one of them. I don't care which one. All you need to do is come in and get your number. I already have numbers assigned to people. You just come into the Google Meet and I will give you your number. That's it. It's as easy as that. So once you have your number, you are going to start thinking of all the different ways that you can get your number as you possibly can. And I do mean different ways. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, you can do a fraction problem of some kind, integers, positive and negative numbers. You could do an equation that equals your number. You can do inequalities, Pythagorean theorem, geometry, exponents, anything that you have learned up through 8th grade. So let's do an example. Let's say your number is 10. Somewhere on your poster, and keep in mind, I am not very artistic. Here's my big balloon of 10. And I'm going to have little balloons all the way around my big balloon. And again, going to be not very artistic. You guys are going to be much neater. Other ways that I can get 10, 5 times 2. Another way, 9 plus 1. Another way, 100 divided by 10. Another way, let's see, 10 to the first power. There's an exponent. Let's do one more. Let's do 510 minus 500. There we go. There's my short little design, whatever. You are going to make it bigger, neater. The 10 has to be, probably should have made this bigger balloon. The rest of these smaller. Put a theme to it. Make sure your number is on your poster, and as many different ways as you can come up with to get your number. I could do an equation. Here's a balloon. 2x plus 1 equals 21. So if I solved that, x would equal 10. But you get the idea. As many different ways. I'm not going to give you a minimum for the amount of ways to get your number. I'm not going to give you a maximum. Think of as many different ways as you can. That also fits into your theme. I could probably fit a couple more balloons in mine kind of thing. But I wouldn't want it to be too outrageous. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to come to the Google Meet today and get your number. You're also going to do the check-in form. I didn't add this in here, but I'll add it in there now. The Google form check-in, you only have to do it once between today and tomorrow. Do the check-in form just so I know how things are going. Then I want you to start coming up with several math problems for your number. Once you have your number, come up with as many different ways, math problems to come up with it. Start designing your theme and your poster. What do you want your theme to look like? Maybe do a rough draft of what your poster is going to look like. Then you are going to spend some time. Do not do it in, like I did, in 30 seconds. Spend some time creating your poster. Remember, it has to be neat. It has to be colorful. It has to be original, okay? I know who the friends are. If you do something the same as your friends, I know you were not original. Be creative. Do some sort of picture that incorporates your number and then all the ways of solving it. Sometime on our next 3-day cycle, I will add an assignment to Schoology, and that is when your poster should be posted into Schoology. It is due by April 21st, so you have plenty of time. You also should be working on 9-5, 9-6, and 9-7. Those, the last couple of days, I assigned these the first day and then this one. If you have not finished watching the videos and doing the IXL.com skills, you can be working on that. I will post Google Meets for if you have questions. Otherwise, message me with questions. I will be happy to answer. So yeah, let me know if you have questions. So recap really quickly. Do the check-in form one time during the next couple of days. Come to the Google Meet and get your number and start working on your number poster. And finish up lessons 9-5, 9-6, and 9-7. That's what you have to work on for the next couple of days. Come to Google Meets, message me, let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.